Hello everyone, welcome to Plant Science Simplified. Today we will be discussing about the numerical taxonomy, which is one among the recent trends of plant taxonomy. The concept of numerical taxonomy is proposed by French naturalist Michael Adamson in 1763, and the method in which classifications are formed based on the patterns of overall similarities. And this particular method uses mathematical methods to evaluate observable differences and similarities between taxonomic groups. And numerical taxonomy, broadly studied by its 7 principles, which goes like this. The first principle tells about the taxonomy should be practiced as empirical science. That is, it should be more than any pure and logical science. It should be more dependent on observable characters. The images used here are only iconic in nature and not related to subject matter directly, but they definitely gives more idea about the very important characters of the principles which we are going to show in future also. And so the first principle deals with the taxonomy should be practiced as empirical science. Second principle deals with the fact that classification should be based on morphological similarities, not majorly about the dissimilarities, about the similarities, and we have to correlate the similarities. And classifications should be based on large number of characters, which will be more reliable. And as we know that more the sampling, more accurate the data or results will be. The fourth principle is every character should be of equal weightage in creating natural taxa. And this principle is against weighed characters in many other phonetic systems. That means in some other systems, particular type of characters will be given more importance than others. Just like the Linnaean based systems are more towards the sexual structures, importance will be given for sexual structures and not for vegetative structures. But here numerical taxonomy wants to delimit those kind of ideas. And the fifth principle suggests that overall similarity between any two entities is a function of their individual similarity in each of the many characters for which they are being compared. That means though there are overall similarity we have to see, but it is the functional similarity, individual similarity, which makes a group as a together, and this principle helps to correlate the characters when correlation matrix is plotted. Sixth principle tells about the distinct taxa can be recognized because correlation of characters differs in the groups of organisms under investigation. So we can make distinct taxon groups, which facilitates grouping and ranking of the specimens under consideration. And the seventh principle tells about the phylogenetic inferences can be drawn from the taxonomic structures of the groups and from the character correlations given certain assumptions about evolutionary pathways and mechanisms. That means this principle suggests a starting or a meeting point with respect to the phonetic systems and cladistic systems are concerned. Next, we will study about the methodology of numerical taxonomy. That means what is the protocol or what is the procedure used in the numerical taxonomy, and it is basically step-by-step process where first we have to select a taxa, then the selection of characters need to be there. More than 60 to 100 characters from the selected taxa will be considered, and they will be constructed character taxon matrix using computers, using mathematical logics, and using mathematical equations and algebraic summations, and later the phonetic similarities will be measured to group them with respect to their different ranks and taxons, hierarchies. And applications of numerical taxonomy, which is very important, and application used in different classes of bacteria and animal, not only in the plants but also in other classes of the organisms are also it is used, like bacteria and animals, and used in many angiosperms including Oryza, Solanum, Sarcostema, etc. And the third very important point is applied to refine classification of grasses, and it is also used to compare results with other taxonomic methods, as in the case of Ononis. That means whether some workers will work on phonetic systems of classification, some workers will work on the cladistic approaches, and here the numerical taxonomy act as a comparative method to consider which classification gives what kind of outputs to elucidate. So these are all the different aspects of numerical taxonomy, and hope this particular lecture was useful to you. Thank you for listening.